Alright, to begin, I just added a video clip to my timeline and I'd like to boost its saturation to make it more cinematic. Let's begin by going over to the color tab. Now up here you'll see your node. Let's right click it and go to Add Node, Add Serial. Make sure your second node is selected and head over to the color wheels. Then increase the saturation to your liking. Unfortunately, whenever you increase the saturation, the shadow saturation also gets increased. This made my streets and buildings look blue. To fix this, let's create another node by right-clicking our second node, go to Add Node, and select Add Serial. With your third node selected, go over to the Curves tab. Then select Lum versus Sat from the drop-down menu. Drag the left point all the way down to decrease the saturation of your shadows. Then click anywhere on the middle of the line to create a point, and drag the point left or right to change the amount of shadows. Okay, I think this took care of the blue shadows while keeping the light on the door looking saturated. Now, if I select the second node and play around with the color offset, it'll look more natural as it changes color. Finally, back in the Edit tab, I can compare the difference between my original shot next to the final one, and I think the final one looks better. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.